How to join someone on Roblox without being friends with them. For this, go ahead and open a browser that you prefer and search for www.roblox.com. Once you are in the home page of Roblox, make sure you are logged in into your Roblox account. Now to join someone in your Roblox, in the search bar search for the username. Then select the option of In People. Roblox will suggest you a lot of users with similar username, so go ahead and select the person you are looking for. Now in order to add them without actually adding them, you have to tap on this three dot icon, then tap on this follow option. Once you do this, the person will gain a follower and you'll be able to add a friend without actually adding them. However, some users may have strict privacy settings that will limit who can join them. If you are unable to join, it could be due to their privacy preferences. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.